Let's check out this color-changing purple-blue to pink PLA from Hatchbox. Printed on a Radiance Diamond magnetic PFLAT sheet with a silver text. It transfers beautifully. I'm rubbing my finger over the card both to show how it transitions with heat and to show that the effect is worn down with the oils from our hands. But fear not, with some isopropyl alcohol, a little spray, and a wipe down with a microfiber cloth, quickly refreshes the effect back to 100%. You can find Radiance Diamond and 16 other styles at www.kaizen3dprints.com.